Hey guys, Joshua here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Dbrand Prism screen protector. Opening up the box, you will see the prism itself, and moving the prism to the side so you can see what's underneath. You'll be getting the alcohol pad, squeegee, another cloth, and this should be the dust remover. If I'm not wrong, this is the sticker. This piece of microfiber cloth also came in the package. So yeah, I'm just gonna set it aside. And yeah, I'm gonna be playing the video halfway while watching it so that I don't get anything wrong, hopefully. And yeah, we'll see how the process goes and how easy it is to fit this prism onto my iPhone. The nice thing about Dbrand is they've actually given you two screen protectors, so if you somehow manage to mess up the first one, you at least have a backup. So I'm just going to put this back in here and close it up and move it to the side so we have more space to deal with it. Now I'm just going to plug my phone into what they call the stabilizer, so this yellow thing. Make sure it's fully in, and then pull it straight and make sure that it is lined up with the cut out at the top. Next, bend it back and remove this little plastic thing. Now, you can either stabilize this against the edge of a table, but since I'm trying to do the video, I'm going to stabilize it against the packaging, which is also fine. Next, take the sticker, and I'm going to be removing the dust from the phone. So according to the video, all I need to do is just pull it back down gently, and just dab away at whatever dust particles that I can see. I'm taking special care to remember to dab at the bottom part. Just moving this up a bit so that you can see where I'm going to be removing the plastic backing from this so that the screen protector can go on to the phone. So remember, pull it away from the phone and everything else. Then according to the video, use the sticky sticker again, and if there's any dust that actually landed again, just be sure to dab it off, or any dust on the screen protector, also be sure to dab all of that away. Next comes the important part, which is hold the triangle tight and slide your phone down gently. And then, while pulling it tight and aiming straight for the earpiece, go down. Okay, I'm just going to show it until here so that I can take a closer look at it. Be right back. So this is how it looks like, and all you need to do is draw a line down, and it should be stuck pretty well. So I can now take out the stabilizer. Now all I need to do is pull off the protective layer. Pick up the squeegee and start forcing out all the air bubbles from the middle. So it's actually quite fun. You can see the air bubbles actually moving. Now, the sides are actually not stuck down properly, so apparently all you need to do is take the alcohol wipe and wipe down the edges, including the earpiece, and that should get all the air out. Now that it's installed, you can see that it's basically just perfect. Overall, the process was actually pretty much simple. All you need to do is really just follow their instructions step by step while you're watching the video, and I don't think that you can actually mess it up. Now, there's been this test going around by liners that they use it to hammer a nail into wood, so yeah, let's go try that out, and I really hope it doesn't crack. the screen protector is on. And I'm just gonna try, and I really hope this works. So even though the screen protector didn't crack, but there is this little, all these little pock marks on it. So no, the experiment did not work. Luckily they gave another one so I can just replace mine. It is pretty resistant to key scratching, so you can actually throw this in your pocket with your keys and you won't need to worry about it scratching. Like, I do know some of the screen protectors do scratch when you just put it into your pocket and then it rubs against your keys, so that's pretty good. I've removed the prism from my phone so I can replace it with the new one. And as you can see, even though there are marks on the screen protector, it actually didn't hurt the phone in any way. So I guess it did its job. Another thing to take note of is that the prism doesn't exactly cover your entire phone. So if you don't have a case or whatnot, when you're swiping up, you may find it a bit uncomfortable because you can see that it's not directly on the bottom. It's not like super sharp, but it does give a slightly weird feeling. But for me, it's fine because I do use a Spigen case, which covers it up, and yeah, I don't feel that at all after that. Okay, back from the test, and yeah, don't use your phone as a hammer, even if you have a crazy good screen protector on it. And even though it was pretty much scratch resistant to keys and most slightly sharp objects, when I was using a very sharp knife like this pen knife I have here, yeah, it did manage to cut through. So that's something to be wary of, even though I don't think you should be trying to cut your screen protector with a knife. Anyways, yeah, so that's the Prism by Dbrand, and it's pretty much impact resistant. Like, I've thrown it down quite a few times just to test it, and I really hope I don't spoil the insides of my phone. But yeah, that's it for the video. This was a slightly more interesting thing because I've never ever tried to destroy something in a sense. But yeah, like and subscribe for more tech videos, and hit the notification bell to get notified when new videos come up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!